And good afternoon. This is Jeff Goldstein with TheMeasureMove.com. Today is Monday. It is November 22nd at 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're looking at the Euro continuous futures contract, the December contract, currently trading 136.16. And as you can see, we've had a intense sell-off after gapping up into the Globex session late Sunday night. Okay, so we've hit this 37.85, and in a series of measured moves, we have sold off, and to the tune of approximately 160 pips. Now, we are currently holding this halfway back 50% measured move long with targets at 138.65. We are currently treading water right now, and they are not respecting this 50% line for whatever reason. Now, the news is all playing out accordingly, and there doesn't seem to be many big surprises out there, given the scope of the Irish bailout and the needs of Portugal and some of the other peripheral Eurozone countries. We are still in a series of measured move shorts on a 15-minute chart, and we will continue to stay out of this right now, okay, as long as we are respecting measured move shorts. Okay, so we are coming into our next short setup, and the 61.8% line would be violated at 136.34. Now, should we break out of this 36.34 area, okay, and push out some shorts, okay, we can then look for measured move longs using a 233 tick chart. Okay, let's put that up and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, here's our most recent high to our lows of the day, lows of the session, okay, and we are currently at its next measured move short at this 36.25 line, okay. And it does have targets below at 35.71. So we want to be very careful as we approach the 12:30 time frame. European session is basically closed at this point, and I don't expect much movement rather from here on in. However, there are a lot of sellers in this market started at the 2:30 European open. Okay, so Europe did sell this, and they may cover their shorts, which means that we can then look for longs, but only until this 61.8% line is violated. Okay, and let's also look at a chart of the S&P 500. We had this really incredible move last Friday afternoon. Okay, as we retraced from the 1173.50 lows to the 1199.75 highs on Friday, this market did almost like a duck dive here down to its 50% measured move long and hit its target at the Globex session to the tick at 12:06. Since then, we have completely rolled over. Okay, and we're coming back into these support levels here, and this is really the only thing that's really underneath this market right now. Otherwise, we can see a much deeper retracement, and we'll talk about what that might be should we break lows of the day. For right now, we can't sell into these levels because these are in and around the support levels of Friday. Okay, but it is a pretty shocking move that once we hit the target, we sold off 20 handles. Okay, what we had, which broke, and this was a trade that I had, which was the lows to the 12:06 highs in a continuation. Okay, this was the long setup. That was 1196.75. So I was getting long here before the bell into the gap fill, into the trend, which had 1210 target. Okay, obviously that was taken out I was taken out here at 94s, so that my stop was hit, and you know, I was a little bit disappointed, and I'm looking at this market as very dangerous right now in its series of measured moves. As you can see, we're still inside of these measured moves short, and we do have targets below us and below Friday's lows. So the bulls will need to step it up here and defend this support level. Otherwise, we can look for much lower retracement areas. That's about it for now. We'll be back later this afternoon and to see if these support levels have given way, and if they do, I'll put a video up with some retracements where we can look for shorts into targets well below us. Talk to you soon. Have a safe trading day, and thanks again. Bye-bye.